Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Professional Designs. This is your host Abdul Wahid Tarakai. This is the first video of our AutoCAD course. Today we are taking you on an exciting journey into the world of AutoCAD. Starting with the basics in this video, we will be unveiling the AutoCAD user interface, the foundation for your future CAD adventures. Whether you are a seasoned pro or new to the world of design, we got something for everyone. So let's get started and explore the AutoCAD user interface together. But before going to user interface, I would like to give a brief introduction about AutoCAD itself. AutoCAD is taken from two words. Auto means automatic and CAD is abbreviation of CAD, computer aided design. AutoCAD is developed and sold by Autodesk company, and it was developed first by John Walker in 1982. AutoCAD has a huge market and it is widely used in lots of industries such as architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, and many other engineerings. And it is mostly used for 2D and 3D modelings. For the first time when you open AutoCAD, you will see this screen. This screen is called welcome screen. You will get three options in here: get started, recent documents, and connect. Get started is a gateway or a door to user interface where you start your drawings. And in get started you get a new drawing option. You can open a previous designed file you have saved in your computer or other places. You can download an online template through internet. And in recent document you will find all the documents, all the designs you have saved in your computer, and they are listed with their date and times. And in connect part, this portion is online portion. If you have a membership with Autodesk company, then you will sign into your account and you will find a notification option in here where you will get the new updates and new features added to AutoCAD program. As it is our first session, and today's lesson is about user interface, so we are going to click on start drawing. After clicking the start drawing, you will find this new window. This window is called user interface window. In this window you are going to start your drawing and you will do your 2D and 3D modelings. We will start studying each portion of this user interface, starting with this red icon A word or A alphabet. This alphabet or this portion is called the application menu. In application menu you are going to get some options like new option is here, open option is here. You can start a new drawing. You can open previous drawings or previous designs you have done and you have saved in your computer. You can save the current design into your computer. You can save in different formats. You can import files or drawings or designs from other formats to your AutoCAD program. You can export from your AutoCAD program to different formats like PDF and other other formats. You can publish your design online, or you can email it to someone you want. You can print your design. These are the options you get in application menu. Beside the application menu you will get quick bar. Quick bar is same as application menu. Here you can quickly access to different options such as new, save as, and print or plot. Here you will get two more options like undo and redo. Undo is used when you make a mistake and you want to delete that mistake and go to your previous design. And redo is used when you have mistakenly deleted any portion and you want to bring it back, so you use redo command. Beside quick bar you will get a workspace area. A workspace area you can select your 2D or 3D modelings. In drafting annotation you can do your 2D drawings, and in 3D basics and 3D modeling you can do your 3D models, and you can change your 2D drawings into 3D. Just by clicking any of this, you can change the workspace into 2D or 3D. Beside the workspace, you will get the title bar. In title bar, you will first get the Autodesk company name, Autocad name, and year of Autocad, and then you will get the name of your design or your file. And DWG is the format in which the file will be saved. And beside title bar you will get the online portion. If you have membership with Autodesk company, you can sign into it and you will get your name in here, and you can search for any file or any template you want through this search portion. Under this portion you will get the menu bar. Menu bar is this many icons and many menus are here. Each menu has a ribbon. This portion is called ribbon, and each ribbon is made of different tabs. Each tab has its own functions, and for example this tab is used during the design or drawings, where you can get many options and many commands used during your design or drawings. In this portion you can modify your design into many different shapes. For example, you can mirror your design into two similar uh, shapes, and you can rotate your design or move your design whatever you want. You can have it in your modify tab. Beside that, you can get the dimensions or text you want to add to your design, so you can get in annotation tab. Under this ribbon you will get your drawing area. This portion is the drawing area where you do your drawings, and the lines you see in this portion are called grid lines. You can just simply have the grid lines, or you can hide them. We are going to study that later. And in this portion you will get the model and layouts. If you want to change your drawing into any other, for example you want to print your design, so you will get this layout. You will prepare it in this layout. We are going to discuss it later, how you can plot your design in this layouts. This portion is called the command line. Command line is used for giving instructions and commanding your AutoCAD to activate any command you want from AutoCAD to activate it for you. For example, you can simply write here line command and enter it, so the automatically the line command will be activated and you can use it as you want. Beside command line you will get the toggle buttons. Toggle buttons are used for activating many functions used during your design, or many functions used in this user interface. For example, this grid lines, if you want to on or off the grid lines, you can do it from here. Just simply click the grid line button and it will be disappeared from your user interface window, and just by clicking it you can bring it back. In these toggle buttons, the buttons which are in blue color, it means that they are on. If they are in gray color, it means that they are off. So for now this grid line or grid mode button is on. If you click it, it will be off. So if you want to bring other Toggles buttons, you can just click on this customization and you will have other grid lines in here. Whatever grid lines you want, you can bring it from here and you can add to this portion toggles buttons. Beside toggles buttons, you will find this navigation bar. Navigation bar is used for navigating your designs in a proper way. For example, you can zoom in or zoom out your design in easy way from here. Just click this arrow and you will find all the zoom commands used for your design. For example, if you want to zoom out your design, just click zoom out and your design will go back. And each time you click on this zoom icon, your design will be going backside and it will be zoomed out. You can try the zoom in command. Just clicking it, it will be coming near to you, and each portion of this design you can see it from near. Beside this navigation bar, you will have this cube in here. This cube is used for changing views of your design. For example, it is just in one view. You have the top view in here, and as it is in 2D drawings, so you will get only one view, but you can change it from here. For example, you can click on this portion of this cube, so it will change your design or your view to 3D mode, because it gives you all the three directions of the cube. For example, right now we are in right, front, and top views, but whatever view you want, you can have it from here. For example, you can click in this portion, or you click on this portion, or you can click on one view of it, so you will get only one view from here. You can click any other view, so you can have it from here. And if you don't want to use the cube from here, you can just simply go to this view control and you can just simply select any view you want and you can have it. For example, I will select the bottom view from here. I can select any back view or any isometric view you want. You can have it from here and you will get it. So this was for today. I hope you have enjoyed learning user interface with us. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel so that everyone can get a benefit from it. For now, goodbye and see you in the next lesson.